Now during the National Caravan event, get the best values in America from Dodge. Take our best products like Dodge Caravan, the best-selling minivan ever, with available power sliding doors and power rear hatch. Plus our best warranty, Dodge's fully transferable 770 powertrain limited warranty. Plus our best deals, like up to $4,000 in cash allowances or 0% financing for 60 months. Add it all up, it equals the best values in America.
Yes, who?
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Storm.
The dreaded telemarketer.
No, it's Strom.
The
Congratulations.
majority of telemarketing calls are dialed by computer. Now you can eliminate many of those disruptive calls.
Message is transmitted at the request of the Minnesota Department of Public Safety and the National Guard. This is an urgent emergency alert for the entirety of the Twin Cities area. Please follow the instructions in this alert as your life is in imminent danger. An extremely hazardous incident had occurred at the Prairie Island Nuclear Generating Plant in Red Wing, Minnesota, at 3:17 p.m. Central Standard Time on March 1st, 2003. Both nuclear reactor units of the Prairie Island Nuclear Generating Plant in Red Wing, Minnesota were reported to have melted down, resulting in untold damage to the nuclear plant. Shortly after the incident, unfavorable radiation conditions were reported within Red Wing and the surrounding areas. It is confirmed to be spreading rapidly towards the Twin Cities. Due to this, the governor is issuing a critical state of emergency for eastern Minnesota. All residents within a 75-mile radius of the Prairie Island Nuclear Generating Plant, which includes the entirety of the Minneapolis-St. Paul areas, are ordered to evacuate from the hazard zone immediately. Gather any important essentials for you and your family. These should include the following: food, water, clothing, medications, documents, and blankets. Please proceed to head west on Interstate 94, U.S. Route 12, and other available routes. To repeat, due to an extremely dangerous incident occurring at the Prairie Island Nuclear Generating Plant, unfavorable radiation conditions are occurring within the surrounding areas, and residents within a 75-mile radius of the plant must evacuate immediately. Please stay tuned to radio frequencies or other forms of communication to receive the latest source of information.